Old walls that I built for you, just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see it coming. Oh, old walls that I'm stuck inside. I guess beauty sees what I can't find. I didn't, no, I didn't see it coming. Well, I got your code and I got your message. I want you to know that you are the love of my life, the love of my life. You never leave when the song is over. You ride or die till the end. You're the love of my life. You're the love of my life, my life. Oh. Alright guys, I am leaving for the second time. I got to the gas station and realized that I left my debit card at home. But I am heading out, leaving my apartment in Tennessee and heading to Illinois. It's going to be a little over 4-hour drive, so this should be fun. I'm on my way to my first drill weekend, if you did not already realize that by the title. But yeah, this is my first drill and probably my last drill in Illinois because I plan on transferring. I'm moving back to Louisiana, like I said in my last video. And I'm gonna try to get at a unit in New Orleans or Baton Rouge, fingers crossed. This is just obviously, it's too far for me to drive from Tennessee. It's 4 hours, or over 4 hours, but it's definitely too far to drive from Louisiana. I'd be driving like 9 hours, which would be insane. So yeah, I hope this vlog turns out okay. I'm saying that because I don't know how well, or not how well, because I don't know how often I'm going to be able to be on my phone, if I'm going to be able to be on it at all. Obviously, I'll be able to have it at my hotel and at dinner and stuff. I'm going to dinner tonight with some friends from AIT, so that should be fun. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see how this goes. Hopefully, I'm able to have it somewhat to show you guys a little bit of my unit, or my temporary unit, I should say. But if you want to follow along on my first drill weekend, just keep watching. So I just got to our hotel. What hotel is this? It's on myself right now. Holiday Inn. It's pretty nice for the Army. But I realized that I forgot my OCPs, which is like what I need, the only thing that I need. I brought like gloves and winter stuff that I'm not gonna need at all, and I forgot my OCPs. But one of the girls that we're with, she lives like 20 minutes away, so she's gonna bring me. But this is our room.
That's like, this is neat. You can put it in here.
I know, it's cute.
This is so much food.
Alright guys, so we just got back to our room from Walmart. We went and ate at that place that I showed you earlier. The food was delicious. And then we had to go to Walmart so I can get a sock bun because I have all of this hair now for my hair extensions, and the sock bun that I had is really small, so I had to go get a bigger one. And we're about to go get in the pool. It's a heated inside pool, so we're probably just gonna hang out in there for like the next 30 minutes until it closes and get some sleep and get ready for our PT test tomorrow. I had pasta and then we went and had milkshakes, which is terrible. So I'll let you know how this PT test goes.
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You taught me even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. Miller, I'm latching on. Now I know what I have found.
Guys, we didn't do much of anything today. We took our PT test this morning, but it was optional since we just took one at AIT. We didn't have to take it, so we kind of just took it just to take it. So we started in the gym.
We got pulled over.
Oh, we did get pulled over this morning, but he let us go, so that was nice. We were going like 10 over. So it wasn't terrible. I wasn't driving though. But so yeah, we got there, and the first thing we did was our PT test and did it inside. My push-ups went down. I had, I think, 39 at AIT, and I got 30 today, which I knew that was gonna happen. My sit-ups stayed about the same. I think I got 67, and that's around what I usually get. Last time I think I got 69, so technically it went down, but I'm not really counting it. And my run went up, but in my defense, it was raining at first, but it still was really bad. So I still passed, even though it doesn't matter. But after that, we did our weigh-in, so they just weighed us and took our height to make sure that we were still good as far as standards go. And then what did we do? We went and ate. We were supposed to clean up and stuff, but that didn't happen. So then we went to go eat at, what's the name of that place? Ravenelli's. It was like a, it was really nice. It was not really nice, but it was really good. It was a buffet they had set up like just for us in the back, and they paid for that, so that was cool. They didn't have to pay for lunch. Free lunch, and it wasn't cafeteria food though. And then what did we do? Oh, we went and to the Humvees and just kind of learned the basics, how to start them up, and just started learning how we're going to operate them once we do that. And then we sat through a class. It was really hard to stay awake for, and we had a promotion. What's the word I'm thinking of? A promotion ceremony for a guy that was going from specialist to sergeant. It was going from specialist to sergeant, and now we are going back to our hotel. We're going to change really quick, and then I think we're going to go to St. Louis and hang out there. I'm zooming in on that bite.
Send me your location, let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me. This is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall for you. All of my attention, it was all for you. So don't take advantage of my heart. Tell me to understand nothing. Go a little bit better when you turn it. Give me your location, let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need some time and place, some time and place. Your location, great one. I don't need nothing else to say. I don't got it. Your location, great one. I don't need nothing else to say. I don't. Send me your location, let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. Give me your location, let's.
Guys, I just had a drink at the bar, and I am turning it in for the night. We were gonna go get in the pool, but I'm just not feeling it. We're both really tired. We're gonna be up again tomorrow. St. Louis was fun, but it was so windy, y'all. It was insane. We tried to ride the scooters and it was way too windy. I wanted to just kind of walk around, way too windy. We literally came up to our hotel room and you can hear the wind. It's insane. But yeah, we are going to bed and I will see y'all in the morning. Good morning, guys. I'm headed to drill for the last day. I'm really excited to go home and I'm really sleepy, even though we did go to bed at like probably around 10:30. So I'm gonna try to get some footage like actually inside if I can. I don't know if it's gonna be possible. I know y'all seen all I've been able to really get is the gym. It's really awkward because my first, I'm not gonna like pull out my phone and try to get, I don't know. I just don't want people to notice that I'm filming. I don't know. I just feel really awkward about filming. So if I can, I'm gonna try to get some for you guys. So we'll see.
Down to parallel. That's too fast. You still got fucking 40 seconds. You have to go down for a full minute. Alright, you ready? Fuck it, I want to go.
I'm supposed to call you, but I don't know what to say at all. There's this girl, she wants me to take her home. She don't really love me though. I'm just on the radio. And I'm not gonna tell you that I'm over it.